you okay? It's a question we often ask, and if the answer is no, there are resources that can help. I want to tell you about them during Mental Health Awareness Week.
So one of those right here in our area is the Johnson County Mental Health Center. That's a place where you can walk in, get evaluated, and set up a treatment plan. It's something that helped turn one local woman's life around.
For Celine Sweet, there's beauty, even in chaos. But sometimes this local artist knows you need outside help, especially when it comes to your mental health.
When you get help, your whole life changes. My work took off. I'm involved with my church now. I have friends. My family is tighter with me. I'm just happy with my life. But I had to get the help first.
Celine's mental health journey dates back to her teenage years when she battled an eating disorder and depression. Years later, she developed agoraphobia, a fear of leaving her home, and was diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
I've had the high level of extreme where I have been hearing music. It's beautiful music, but it's not there. And I'm seeing colors on the walls. They're dancing, and it's just not there. And I know it's not there. It's beautiful, but I can't explain it. And then the lows are so low that you just don't want to get out of bed. You don't want to shower.
Much like finding the right combinations of colors for her work, her treatment required the right combination of medication and therapy. It took years to fine-tune, leading to her seeking help at the Johnson County Mental Health Center. Here, she's able to work with a therapist, a case manager, and a psychiatrist, all at an adjusted cost she can afford.
We just are able, with our resources, to provide services to people without insurance or that are self-pay.
That's just part of what makes these services so invaluable. Trained clinicians can help people in crisis, whether that's through a referral or someone who walks off the street. However, therapists warn you don't have to wait till you're in crisis to seek help.
So if you're noticing that it's not going away, if it's something that is persistent and it's persistently affecting your life in a detrimental way, absolutely, please seek services.
That counselor says whether it's anxiety or depression, there are some signs to watch out for. Those include symptoms that persist for more than 2 weeks, feelings of worthlessness, thoughts of death or self-harm, changes in eating and sleeping habits, inability to focus, and an overwhelming sense of sadness. For Celine, recognizing these signs is the first step, but she says to truly paint a picture of happiness, you have to be willing to reach out for help.
It's a strength to find help. It's actually really, you have to use your inner strength to find help. It's not a weakness.
It's not a weakness to say you're not okay. If you need help, please scan that QR code that you see here at the bottom of the screen. The Johnson County Mental Health Center has 2 locations, one in Shawnee, one in Olathe. There are a number of resources, too, including a suicide hotline. We've posted links to all of these within this story on our website, kshb.com. And if you're struggling and you need help right now, reach out to either of these numbers. You can call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. That's at 988. You can also text HELLO to 741-741 to reach the crisis text line.